Okay na. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a room tour, and this has been a very highly requested video, and it's actually the video that I've always been excited to shoot, so I'm so happy that I'm finally shooting this. Welcome back to my channel if you're already a Josa, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm from the Philippines and I'm still a student, so if you're a student then this is just gonna be my room. I live in Metro Manila and it's very hot here, but I'm wearing a sweater. So anyway, when you enter my room, this is the first thing I do. Like when I get back from school, I put my bag right here. And then I enter, and the first thing you'll see is probably this shelf. And right here, I just have my mirror, my moon lamp, and then just a bunch of stuff. This is my tumbler for watering my plants, and it's just a dead plant. It's dead, but I kind of like it there. It kind of gives a nice touch. And then I just have like this fake plant right here. And then over here, this is where I keep my camera bags. This is my vlog camera bag, and then this is my Instax camera bag. And I just like to keep this here so that I can just grab it right away. And then I have my fancy-ish bag right here, my purse, for when, you know, I'm going to more formal events, and also when I just want to step up an outfit, I just put on this bag. I use this bag, especially when I'm just carrying like my phone, my wallet, some random stuff. And then also here I just have more random stuff. This is where I have my sunglasses for when it's sunny, and then I just have my ID lace right here, which I need to wash. And then I just have like makeup and this Polaroid of Ateneo. I'm from UP, I'm not from Ateneo. Yes. And then I just have my box of memories right here, and this is where I keep some old photos, old Instax pictures that I wrote on before. And, you know, I just keep these here as like a reminder of the things that I've been through. And also like my friends, a bunch of them are here, so I just keep this here. I have too many pictures on my wall already. So yeah, that's just right there. And then at the bottom, I just have my printers. This is my paper printer, and then this right here is my photo printer. I don't know if it's obvious yet, but I really like pictures, so I just have a picture printer right there. And then, moving on, I have more pictures. This is my Polaroid wall, and I know that a lot of people have Polaroid walls and it's kind of basic, but I like how it looks. I like how Instax Polaroids look on my wall, and I like that these are like really unique photos because they're one of a kind, and I just like keeping them there. And these are just some pictures of my friends and my EP launch, my birthday, a bunch of other random stuff. I just like keeping this here. I like how it looks. Don't hate on me, please. Yeah, and then right here next to my shelves and my Instax pictures is my guitar. And this guitar is the guitar I use for when I'm writing my songs. If you guys don't know, I'm a singer-songwriter, and I write my own songs, and I post them on Spotify. So if you'd like to listen to them, the link is down in the description box to my Spotify. I hope you enjoy if you haven't heard my songs yet. Moving on, this is my Alex drawers, and I've always wanted to have an Alex drawer. And over here on top is just my plants. This one is a pothos plant, and it's kind of weird. It started out like this when I got it, and then it just kind of grew out to these different looking leaves, which is kind of sad, but it's okay. I still love it. And then right next to it is my peace lily. It doesn't have a lily yet because it's still a baby, but I really like how it looks, and I like, you know, the whole peace vibe going on, you know, spread love. And inside my Alex drawers over here, I just have some more Instax pictures that I do have to post on the wall eventually. Just some markers, tape, string, stuff. And then over here, I just have my brush pen collection. I'm super into brush pens, brush pen writing. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed. And yeah, so I just keep all of them here. I have Tombow, and I have some Zig pens right here. And whenever I'm sad, actually, when I'm having a bad day or when I'm just feeling down, I just, go to National Bookstore. I tell myself I'm gonna go window shopping, but I always end up buying myself like a brush pen, and I automatically feel so much better. So that's why I kind of have a lot. And next, I just have some notebooks, paper, Instax film, and over here, I just have my candy stash, my chocolates and sour stuff. This is dark chocolate and sour candy, and some almonds for when I'm hungry. Random stuff. Over here is where I keep my recording equipment for like when I want to record songs or when I use my microphones for a video. And it's also where I keep cords, lights, all that electronic stuff. So I just keep that there. And over here, I just have a bunch of random stuff again. And this is also my EP booklet. Actually, I'd open it, but then that would kind of be, what's it called? Spoilers. And the other drawers are just boring. So let's move on to my desk. So now we are here at my desk. And this is a lot of people would call it like an ugly desk because it has like stains and discoloration. But I kind of like it. I like how it's imperfect. So this is my own personal touch of imperfection, and I still really love it and accept it for what it is. And on top is just a bunch of things that I usually grab for when I'm on my desk. So I have my ruler, this is where I put my coins, staplers, some pens, highlighters for when I study, my journal, some tape, notepads, and this over here is actually my picture wall. So it's not really they're not all the same size, like the Instax wall. But these are just some pictures of my friends and some artworks. This over here is the view from my condo from when I was still living in a condo for college. I was in a condo for like a year, but then I moved out. But I super love the view. It's the view of Manila Bay, and the sunset is always so beautiful, and I loved watching the sunset there. And I'm not sure actually if this is the view from my condo or my best friend's condo who lived like 3 doors down. And that's him, but I guess the view's kind of the same, so we see the same thing. So yeah, and this is just like a bunch of artworks too. This artwork right here is actually a watercolor painting that I painted back in 2015, and I had it in my old room, and it's just something that I felt like it just made my room so unique. I think this was like one of the highlights of my room before. So I brought it here, and now I just have it here, and it feels really nice because it's really colorful, and I love painting eyes. So I feel like it just brings in a lot of personality into my room. This is just my other pothos plant. And then right over here is my desk lamp light that I never use. And then over here is my air conditioning, and it's really ugly. And this guy over here is my microphone for when I do record my demos. I also record like my covers here sometimes. Comment down below if you want to see me do a cover song. Just let me know. And then over here, I have my mirror, and I got this on sale at H&M for 700 pesos. I just put it here because in the morning, the sunrise is just so beautiful. I'll insert a clip. I love waking up super early in the morning just to watch the sunrise, and this is where I like to get ready because the light's just super nice. And then above it is just another fake plant. Right over here is my full-length, full-size mirror, and it just has more fake plants, and it is resting on a trunk thing. This is where I just keep a bunch of stuff that I don't really reach for all the time, but I still need, so I just keep all my junk in this trunk. That rhymes. Right over here is my grid wall, and I just keep like shades, my earrings, a keychain, and down over here is this plant, and I don't know what it's called. So if you guys know what this plant is called, please do comment down below and let me know what it's called. I'd love to know because I do want to know how I can take care of it like in the best way. And right next to it, I just have my bayongs. My bayongs! This is where I keep my shampoo bars. It's working really well with my hair, and I just keep these right here. And I super love the bayong. It's like a touch of Filipina-ness in my room, and I am gonna be decorating my room more with like Filipino decoration, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, so again, this is this corner. So moving on, I just have this tapestry, and it's really colorful, and as you might have noticed, my room's white. My old room was very, very colorful, because I am a very colorful person, but I did want to make this room white because I feel like I'm just gonna naturally put in a lot of color, and that's exactly what happened with this tapestry. I just put like a blast of colorfulness just so, you know, it still kind of shows my personality. And this is galaxy themed. I'm really into astrology and stars and outer space and the moon and planets and stuff. So I do really love seeing this in my room, and it's just a nice blast of color to kind of take out the blah. So I just like having this here. And then if you did notice, I have these string lights up here. It kind of goes all around my room, and it's just because the only light other than that is this light from the electric fan, from the ceiling fan. Sorry, in the Philippines we call it electric fan. And so I just hung these temporarily, but then it turned into like a permanent thing just because I really like how it looks like. Okay, so these lights are very warm and yellow, and I like having them on at night because I feel like yellow light kind of gives me a sleepy, warm, cozy aura. So I do like turning these on at night, and they look really, really nice. And right here on this corner, it's just my bedside table, and it has my 2 salt lamps, the baby salt lamp and the mama salt lamp, and this one's a lot bigger, and it's actually dimmable, so at night I can make it like as strong or soft. And right next to it is just, I don't know what it's called, geometric planter. I put some fairy lights. Kind of reminds me of Tinkerbell. Captain Hook locked her up in the thing. Kind of reminds me of that, and just makes it feel so magical. I also have a bunch of stuff here. So first I have this scrapbook. And you guys already know that I'm super sentimental. It's kind of like a creative yearbook. It just has all the events. And then I also have like the scrapbook from my first relationship. And you guys might think that's really weird. Like, why do I have the scrapbook of my first relationship? It just kind of reminds me that I'm capable of loving just as anyone else is. And also I have kind of like my 2016 planner scrapbook thing. It's a planner that I just put a bunch of pictures in, and like I'd write every day like what I did. So that was really nice. 2016 was like a really good year for me. So yeah, that's that corner. And now this is my bed. I love my bed so much. It's like I sleep on a cloud every single night. If you guys go to Miniso, you'd know how soft these guys are. And every single time, I know they're kind of expensive, but every single time I go to Miniso, I just, you know, go there and touch these things and just squish them. So finally this year, I did invest, and I bought this guy. This one was a gift. I invested in this guy, and they're just so soft, and I sleep next to them at night and I cuddle them. I do love them so much, no regrets. This is actually a really old bed, and it gives me really like antique vibes. And I also love the color, like how it's dark green and kind of matches with everything else in my room. And I love these swirly things right over here. And I did wrap some fairy lights around it just to make it like more magical. There you go. Turn it on for you guys. And these just feel like fireflies at night. Fireflies or stars at night, and I just super love looking at them. I felt like this wall was too plain. I didn't have these before, but I did put these up like a few weeks ago, and I really love them. It gives me that enchanted like feeling, and I like how my room just feels so magical. Magic is real. I'm just gonna insert a bunch of like overview shots of my room just so you guys can see like the whole thing. So yes, this is the end of my room tour, and I'm just, I feel so fulfilled. I've always wanted to film this, so I hope that you guys liked it. And if you did, please do make sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for dropping by if you're a new viewer here. I hope that you can subscribe and join the Jossa fam, the Joslin Nation. I super love you guys. So shout out to the Jossas of the week. Thank you so much for your support. I love reading all your comments. And also congratulations to the winner of the moon lamp giveaway. Thank you so much for commenting. It was an Instagram giveaway, guys, so you had to comment on my Instagram post. So next time I do an Instagram giveaway, please make sure to comment on the post. So yes, this is the end of my video. If you want me to do any more videos, please make sure to comment down below. If you guys took the UPCAT, please do tell me how it went. I hope that you guys killed it, and just, you know, feel good about yourselves. You guys did it. SETS is just one big step in your life, and now you've done it. So good job. So yes, that's all for today. I hope that I see you in my next video. Love you guys. Hugs and besos.
I got a feeling that we got a chemistry. Give me what's on your mind.